What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and as you guys can see, XRP has done exactly what we said and broke out of its massive bull flag formation that we have been tracking for several weeks now. We knew this was forming all the way back, I'd say early or maybe mid-December here. We had originally drawn some sort of downtrend here, maybe seeing some sort of symmetrical triangle, but we said after seeing the major rally up, give it some time to kind of form a new technical indicator, and we did exactly that. As the markets rallied up, they started to consolidate back down, and we noticed that there seemed to have been some sort of newer bull flag, or at least technical indicator forming. Once we discovered the ideal bull flag here, we knew it was a buying opportunity to break out. We just needed to wait for the confirmation above. We bought in exactly at $2.56, and you can see we are exploding, actually retesting $3.37. And honestly, it still might not be too late to take advantage of these runs. This is pretty incredible. And on top of that, even if you miss out on the run up, there's always the run down, which will be another profitable bullish movement for us to take advantage of here. But XRP is getting eerily close to hitting all-time highs. I forget what it was, maybe $3.60. Wow, no, it was $3.30 here on Bitfinex. If anything, we just broke all-time highs, which is even more insane here. I guess it really depends on the exchange that you look at, but this is unbelievable and incredible to see the comeback that XRP has had. It truly is ridiculous to see this, considering just a couple of months ago, the price of XRP was closer to 30 cents, maybe even down to 27 cents here, and now it's over $3. It's truly an unbelievable sight to see. Just a quick investment, all of for 4 or 5 years, could turn you into a multimillionaire. It really is something else. There is high risk involved, though, and that's what we're going to have to talk about today, trying to figure out what's next moving forward within XRP and a lot of these other cryptos. We'll also be covering Solana here, Ethereum, Bitcoin, QQQ, I just added this in, and then the S&P 500. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, make sure to stay tuned, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button if you haven't already, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, in case you guys haven't already taken advantage of this or you're new to the channel here, BYDFI has done a collab. BYDFI, for those that don't know, is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. But they've done a collab with me for you guys. If you sign up with the link down below, or you can, if you're already a member of BYDFI, you can basically enter this competition here to get some free stuff. This is the first time BYDFI's actually given away something other than like bonus crypto or a giveaway here. So this is pretty cool. You get entered for a chance to win free bonus crypto, free AirPods, iPads, iPhones, backpacks. I mean, the list goes on and on here. More info, like I said, down in the description below, and there's just 11 days left to take advantage of this here. So if you're already trading on BYDFI or another exchange, you might as well enter to take advantage, possibility of getting some free stuff here. And who doesn't like some free things? Anywho, diving into today's video here, I mean, XRP is doing the bull flag crypto breakout that we all know and love here. We knew this was coming. We've talked about this for weeks now. Literally go back on my channel, look at previous videos here. I have done nothing but tell you that this bull flag is destined to come. We've been tracking it for months now, or sorry, weeks, I'd say. At the bare minimum, it's been over a month. You can see the bull flag forming here. We keep talking about it, waiting for this breakout, saying that you have to be patient for it to come. And as you can see, that happened as of yesterday here into today, and the breakout is heading even higher up. So I'm very excited to see that XRP is exploding here. For those that are watching, you guys hopefully took advantage of this and are making a killing on this rally here. I mean, look at it. Bull flag on DYDX, bull flag on Trade Society here. You have it on Binance. You have it on KuCoin. I mean, it doesn't get Bybit, Light Finance, CoinDesk, Medium, Reddit. I mean, the list goes on how textbook obvious this bull flag breakout was. I mean, I don't know how many times I've said it to you guys that this breakout is pretty much going to happen. It's destined to see that run come, and here we are experiencing that beautiful rally up, lower high, lower low pattern down, confirmed closure outside of resistance, and exploded to the upside here. Huge runs. Now it's a little bit shaky. We're a bit overbought on the daily charts here, trading at about 77. There's still room for us to head higher, but for those that are already entered, get that stop loss tight right at like $3.13 for the possible correction here. And for those that haven't gotten in, there's still time, but eventually experience there could be a little more room up, but then expect to see a breakdown. It could form a bull flag, and then another rally. The list goes on and on and on. So lots of things here. The further away we get from moving average, the more chance we come back to it. So keep that in mind as well for XRP. But we do all these trades on BYDFI because BYDFI is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BYDFI lets us buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Every single thing you'd want on an exchange is offered on BYDFI, which is insane here. You can see stop limit orders, market orders, take profits, stop losses, trailing stop losses, reduce onlys. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. And on top of that, they have a demo trading account and then the reward center, which I don't know if I mentioned here, but instead of, if this is too much, you don't want to get involved in the trading competition here to win some of these giveaways here. They do have hot rewards that you can get. Exclusive rewards for you guys to take advantage of, daily rewards for you guys to take advantage of that reset every day, and user rewards. So for those that are new, you can sign up. You get, I think 8K in free bonus crypto, as well as $100 in bonus crypto for those that are new. Much easier to get this. There are some limitations here on how to receive these, but for those whales out there, by all means here. So make sure to check them out. They also have a demo trading account, which I highly recommend. 50K in demo bonus money for you guys. Demo money, sorry, not bonus money, for you guys to take advantage of the exchange, get familiar, learn how to trade, learn to get comfortable, so that you're familiar with it. You don't get rusty. And then when you're ready, if you've made profitable trades, you can head on over to the live account and use that bonus money. Anything earned off that bonus money, profit-wise, can be withdrawn completely free, which is epic as well. But moving on from BYDFI and XRP here, we have other cryptos to look at. Like Solana has seen the breakup, the blast off, the rally to the upside here. This is no surprise if you ask me. Solana confirmed closure outside major resistance here, starting to see reversals. We kind of figured this was going to happen here, and I think we could easily head even higher up. I think we bottomed off, in my opinion, and I think we were due for a little run to the upside. We broke out of a major bull flag here as well. We did come back down, which was unfortunate, but we are heading back up right now. So I would not be surprised in the slightest if we continue to scale higher here. That's what I'm pretty excited for. So definitely stick around though. XRP was the main focal point, but these cryptocurrencies all showed signs of possible reversal. We are waiting for Ethereum to get back above this yellow resistance here. We tried to do it yesterday. I mean, in a sense we did, but we are rejecting right now to moving average here. But I do believe all these cryptos are due for some nice swings, nice reversals, nice pumps to the upside. But I did notice the possibility of something like this. Like, I don't know what you guys think about this, but almost like a downtrend here. Like a new downtrend could be forming. I'm going to delete some of these things just so we have something to look at here. I know I have a lot of lines going on right now. Maybe we'll delete them. Some of them at the bare minimum here, but you can see kind of the rejection. It almost looks like 1, 2, 3 points of confirmation could cause correction. Same thing kind of with Solana if we drew that, but it's a little late for that right now. Maybe something like this. It's definitely a possibility here. I'm not entirely sure. We'll leave that alone. Ethereum with that downtrend, Bitcoin as well. This is what I wanted to show you. It almost looks like there could be a downtrend here where we do fill this in, and that would be something to consider. Like we fill this in, and if we can break through yellow resistance, then we could, pop or explode to the upside here. Now, I do want to introduce QQQ. This is another thing that I've been invested in for quite a while now, and in my opinion, I think like Solana, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, like cryptocurrencies are much harder to graph and chart than QQQ and like the S&P 500. I think they're very slow and very obvious signs of movement here. I mean, just look at QQQ on the weekly. It doesn't get more freaking obvious than this. And another pattern I've noticed is almost like every 2 years we fall. 2016, we hit moving average. 2018, we hit moving average. 2020, we hit moving average. 2022, what do? Hit moving average. 2024, we haven't done that yet. So we're kind of due for a possible correction here. You can see we've been in this very aggressive run to the upside, almost like you can see similarly what happened in 2021. It almost screams possible correction here. I bought in pretty early, but this to me looks like we could be toppling over fairly soon. I don't know. It's a little scary. I do think the markets are overbought, but maybe we're on a different trajectory. I have no freaking idea, but short term, I think we look good, but I just think these markets are due to correct. And it's just this weird feeling. But again, it could correct in several years from now and you'd be missing out. So I've drawn on the short term. You can see kind of these fractals that form here. It's so consistent in the market. I'll draw down here as well. You can see Look at that. Look at this. I mean, it's so consistent that we have these. Here's another one, and here we are doing the same thing. So due to break, you can see we're rejecting obviously right now. I mean, it doesn't get any more obvious than that, but I do think when we come back down, we could see that reversal take place soon back to the upside, or we dump. I don't know. But just showing you guys the opportunities. Very similar, the charting to stock market here. And as you guys know, I've talked about the reversal coming soon, but if we do decide to dip, we'll know how to dollar cost average in. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.